European robin. European robins are small birds, although they can be very aggressive. This is because they are highly territorial and will defend their nests strongly against any other robins, even their own reflection. Sadly, the average robin's lifespan is only 13 months, but throughout their life, they can be really sweet. For example, if they hear a baby bird's cry, they will go to feed it, no matter the species, as long as it is similar in size and behavior. Did you know that robins also use their orange spot caused by pigmentation in their feathers as a warning signal in territorial defense? They do this by displaying it as a warning for other robins to stay away. This provides essential food and water from their area due to it not being stolen. Surprisingly, robins are out all year, but you mainly see them in winter due to food being scarce at that time.